Hi there, students. Filibuster. To filibuster is a verb. A filibuster as a noun. And filibustering, also a noun, the activity itself. Okay, this is linked to politics. To filibuster is to make a very, very long speech in order to delay or even completely frustrate and prevent a new law from being made. If in parliaments, very often you only have a certain amount of time to debate a matter or to debate a new law. And if somebody filibusters or a group of people filibuster, they talk about this and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk until the time runs out and they still haven't finished discussing it. And in many cases, this will completely prevent the law from being passed because there isn't any more time. Or maybe then more time needs to be assigned for this, and this is to filibuster. Okay, so it's to talk out a bill. It's a method of political obstruction. Yeah, making long speeches in order to attempt to delay or prevent a vote in a legislative assembly. Yeah, so a filibuster delayed voting on the bill for over a week, or the filibuster meant that the bill wasn't passed because the government didn't have more time to dedicate to this matter. Okay, so this is the idea of to filibuster. Notice as well, there's another unusual meaning of this, which I think is probably old-fashioned. This is to take part in a private military action in a foreign country. Effectively, to go there and try with a load of your friends who are all armed and try to get as much money as possible. Yeah, but I don't think that's so common nowadays. Okay, so to filibuster, an obstructive delaying action, especially by prolonged speech making. Now, I think the first filibuster, or the beginnings of filibusters, go back to Roman times. I believe Cato the Younger filibustered Julius Caesar, or certainly tried to obstruct him by long speeches. I think the Roman Senate, when it got dark, when the sun went down, they all went home. So Cato talked until the sun went down, and no vote was then actually carried out. Okay, so how formal is this to filibuster? This is a formal, technical, political word. I think if you use it in an informal conversation, many people are not going to know what it means. To talk out a bill, to talk until the time runs out in order to obstruct something. Yeah, I don't think there's an informal version of it. And then as to origin, well, the English word filibuster has been borrowed from Spanish, filibustero, which is a pirate, although I've never heard this word used as a pirate in Spanish. But originally it comes from Dutch, vrijbuiter. Okay, vrij, free, and wit, booty. Booty is the thing that you get. So a freebooter is somebody who went off to steal what they could. Yeah, this is piracy. Okay, so that's why a mercenary soldier could be a freebooter or even a filibuster. But I think that meaning has long departed, and nowadays I think filibuster is particularly used in American politics, but it has also been used in British politics on various occasions as well. Yeah, so making long speeches, in some cases irrelevant, but in the UK, what you say must be related to the debate and the subject at hand. Yeah, otherwise they can stop you. So long speeches in English, in British English, pertinent to the matter, that are used to delay the proceedings or make the to delay the decision by a legislative body, or even to stop it because the time has run out. So, filibuster. No, I'm not filibustering. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So, bye for now. Filibuster. Yeah, and that's it.